Hello Arbonne fans, Lana Burnley here, coming to you direct from Look Beyond Mastectomy Boutique at 2039 Richmond Road in Bell's Corners. And we're going to continue with our makeup, and remember I'm just doing one side of the face, and we've done the foundation, we've done the makeup primer, then the foundation, and then we started on the eyes with the eyebrows, and then putting the eye primer on, and then the three colors around the eyes. You can barely see it, but I've got the lighter color around the eyebrow and on the inside of the eye. Then I've got the base color and then a lovely forest sort of highlighting the outside of the eye. It's more of a daytime look, but that's good. We've got lots of choices. And now we are going to line the eye. Arbonne has 6 colors, and these are great colors, but you're not limited to just these 6 colors with Arbonne. You also have all the eyeshadows you want, because using eyeshadows you can always use the angled brush that comes with your brush kit, and use some of the darker colors to line your eye also. So there's lots of options you can use, and today I am probably going to use just the basic black. And where is my basic black? Anyway, it's here, and we're going to use it. And couple things about Arbonne. Now we have the liner that you just twist up, right? It's a beautiful pencil liner. It's got eyebright extract, it's got hibiscus extract, and caoutchouc butter. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing that wrong, which actually helps put it on very smoothly. And on the other end, you've got a little sharpener, so you're never without a sharpened tip for your eyeliner. Perfect, right? So let's just go ahead, and actually I should be using, I'm just going to put it on, just outline the eye ever so lightly. See how simple it is with these liners, because they are so smooth to put on. There's really not much difficulty at all. You can do inside the waterline or outside the waterline. I'm just going to do near the bottom of the eye also. And the neat thing is, if you've gone through chemo like I have a couple of times, I've lost a lot of my eyelashes, and the eyelashes are what helps define the eye. So using eyeliner really does help define the eye and give you an outlook. And believe it or not, if you do it properly and not too heavy, you will find your eye opens up when you use eyeliner. So this is a great alternative. Remember, Arbonne has 6 colors. Plus, you can use the angled brush and use all of the eyeshadows you would like as an eyeliner too. Thank you, and watch for more videos as we continue demonstrating Arbonne makeup.